In this video, I'll be showing you how to install a new engine air filter. The air filter box location is right behind the battery. To remove the air filter, there are clips that you need to just simply with your finger pop them out, and there's one on the back side. Once those 4 clips are popped off, the top cover to the air box can be lifted up in the air. Then you reach in, grab your old air filter. This one, I don't know if you can see it, but it's pretty dirty. I would recommend, if you're not sure when to change your air filter, check your owner's manual and look it up. There should be a maintenance chart in there for certain items like the oil change, air filters, and whatnot. All right, get your new filter, just match it up, make sure it is correct. Now, it's a good idea, if there's any leaves or anything inside this air box, just grab them out of there. Maybe use a vacuum if there's a lot of stuff in there. The filter material part goes down right into the box like that. If your air filter is not in properly and that gasket is not in the correct place, that could cause an issue with what's known as a lean code. So make sure that's in place, put the cover on it. Then it's a matter of just taking these clips, popping them back in place. And don't forget this back one. A lot of people tend to forget this one. And that, my friends, is how you install the engine air filter on a 2010 Kia Rio. Most of these models, they're all the same. You got an air filter box, you have some type of clamps or screws. You take that off, put it in. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Also, there's a link in the description box for the air filter. If you guys want to check that out, feel free. And please, subscribe, like the videos, hit the bell to be notified of new videos. I appreciate your support. And if you really like the channel, we have the join button. You can actually have a membership to the channel, and that will also support us. You can donate on a monthly basis. Not asking you to do it. If you feel compelled, bless you. If not, that's okay. God bless. I wish you and your family a super day. Take care.